Alright, let's have a Barndo update. Last weekend I was installing water lines. I got my generator over there running on the well. I got them all finally connected and going around checking for leaks. I blowed all the air off the lines, and so far everything's looking good. And I finally have water that I can use around here. Supposed to start framing out in a couple of weeks on the inside, so things will start to come together. It's a pretty neat little idea of putting your water spigots in. Hopefully y'all can hear me over that generator. So what I did is I just did a 1-inch nipple through like a fence post that I cut, which I got it all insulated down in there, and with a female adapter. And I went from 1 inch down to 3/4, and so I got more volume, but got 2 spigots back there, one by each roll-up door, one by the porch on the front side, and here's the other one by the roll-up door. So this one I hadn't insulated the top of, I just finished it, so I'll show you a little bit of it. So you can see down in there where the 1-inch nipple went through to the spigot out of the 90 degree with the female. So on this one I reduced down out here. The rest of them I reduced down right at the upright from 1 inch to 3/4. So that's my update. Now it's time to start, I guess, filling these holes up. Have a good day, good weekend.